Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin looks poised for post-Thanksgiving gains, and Taproot explained in today's video. We're going to be taking a look at the one coin that's pumping today and how you could have known about it beforehand, already up 50%. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin being poised for a post-Thanksgiving rally. Plus also we're going to go over briefly what Bitcoin Taproot is and what it means for you. And we're taking a look at one coin that's already up 50% today after we knew based on a signal that flagged. We're going to share all of that coming up. Before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. Let's try and get to 2,000 likes on this video. Why the heck not? Now, Bitcoin looks like it is gearing up for a post-Thanksgiving rally. This is Trading Shot over on TradingView. Actually, Bitcoin looks like it is about to completely identically repeat 2017. As you can see, we had a little bullish rally pre-Labor Day. After Labor Day, price came down, bounced off the one-day MA 100. Then again, soared through the one-day MA 50, and then right before Thanksgiving, dropped down, found support on the one-day MA 50, this little green cup right there, before we had the post-Thanksgiving rally. Basically, everybody tells their family about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies over Thanksgiving, rallies until Christmas, and then we have the giant sell-off for Chinese New Year or whatever causes the giant sell-off, taxes in January. Now, fast forward to today, we have little bullish rally pre-Labor Day, little bearish post-Labor Day, bouncing off the one-day MA 100. Again, we have this cup forming, bouncing off the one-day MA 50. Well, potentially could be leading us on a rally towards the six-figure Bitcoin by Christmas. We can only hope. Now, this is coming right after news of Bitcoin's Taproot upgrade, the biggest upgrade in 4 years, really the only upgrade in 4 years. And this one was pretty much unanimously supported by everybody in Bitcoin. It does a few things for us. It means greater transaction privacy and efficiency. And crucially, it'll unlock the potential for smart contracts which can be used to eliminate middlemen from transactions. So one of the ways that they're doing this is using Schnorr signatures, which basically allows multiple transactions to be combined into one signature. Just makes it easier for smart contracts, different stuff like that. Also adds a little bit of privacy. So big upgrade. Potentially, we haven't even seen this factored into the price yet, especially with Lightning Network integration, smart contract integration. I still think Bitcoin is significantly undervalued. And right now, on a smaller time frame, the 4-hour time frame, it looks like Bitcoin, this pivot line right here, will give it the next big swing. So we can see it happen previously here back in September, where we had this pivot line, which was resistance for a little bit, and then almost support, but more resistance. And Bitcoin just kind of hovered around there until it broke out to the next level. Well, it looks like we have another one of these lines forming yet again, and we'll have to kind of seriously break out from this line before we see the next breakout. And this brings a very important point brought about by William Clemente. He says most people will get chopped to bits trying to trade the remainder of this bull market. Just sit comfy and convicted in a spot, stop checking the charts every hour, and keep educating yourself. He has a very good point right there, because right now we can have very large swings, but all in all, we know the price is likely going up. So instead of trying to trade it on leverage and on minute candles and all that crazy stuff, just sit back, relax, and just enjoy things that are coming. Because if we take a look at cbbi.info right now, top confidence 60% roughly where we are right now. Now, something that I took a look at that I think is very important is the last time on a bull run that we were at this level was right back here, back in 2017. Now, the Bitcoin price was 2320. Well, guess what? Bitcoin price never came that low again. But that's only one point of evidence. Let's go look at a second point of evidence. Well, if we go back here, it was right around October of 2013. Bitcoin price was 155. Guess what? Never came back to 155 again. So likely, we may never see this price of Bitcoin ever again. But Bitcoin isn't all of the market. We're not a bunch of maxi pads here on this channel. Even though Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency out there, there's a lot of other cryptocurrencies out there. So for people who want to trade other cryptocurrencies, the Cointelegraph's Markets Pro platform has been absolutely crushing it. This week again, picking out 50% of the top moving cryptocurrencies, some of them for the hundreds of percent gains. Now, I do have a partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro because I believe in the platform. It gives you news before everybody else, and we're going to show you exactly how you could have been up 50% today based on the news from Cointelegraph Markets Pro. But first, we're going to take a look at the Vortex report for this week. 5 out of the 10 top movers in the entire crypto market had 80 plus Vortex scores before big rallies. 2 of the most successful tokens posted 250+% gains following high Vortex streaks. Now, if we take a look at this and probably zoom in a little, that doesn't work as well. So we can see the top gainers of the week, 5 of them, fully half of them, 2 of the biggest gainers of the week in all the cryptocurrencies out there, Keeper and Coin, both picked out by Cointelegraph Markets Pro, giving you 268, 274% gains. Not only that, but we can see all the high scoring coins on Cointelegraph Markets Pro, anything from 25 to 275%. And there is a link for Cointelegraph Markets Pro down in the description and the pinned comment. And we can see what happens here. Basically, it has a high score on the Vortex score, and afterwards, the price takes off. This one for 275% gains. Same thing with Coin right here. High Vortex score, and then the price shoots off, roughly around 270% gains. Also, Helium did the same thing, this green right here, and then price shot off. I don't think they even captured all of it because it signaled down here, which is a lot higher of a gain. And then also we have Live Peer, same type of thing. But that's not all, because we can see the average returns on Vortex scores for all of the coins between 4.33 and 6.38%. And then also what we see here is newsquakes, and this is how we actually picked out the one coin today that is pumping huge that you could have made a lot from. So we have a newsquake, which happens right down here, and then the price pumps. Basically, Cointelegraph is a big crypto newspaper company. Well, they have a news aggregator platform that gets the news before it's actually published news, and they share this with you, and this allows you to know the news before anybody else, so you can profit from it. Same thing happened with Chili's. We had a flag right here, and then the price shoots off. So what happened today? Well, if we take a look here on Cointelegraph Markets Pro, up here we have the newsquakes, and you get the news before anybody else. When there's listings, you can make a significant amount of money. As a matter of fact, average return on a Coinbase listing is 58%. Well, 4 hours ago, we had notice of Binance will be listing Benqi. But if we take a look here, 3 hours ago, Binance actually tweeted that. So had you have used Cointelegraph Markets Pro, you would have actually known this news before Binance even released the news, which is how, using the platform, you are able to profit, because you get the news literally before anybody else. You would have gotten the news down here back when it was 17 cents, before it ran up to 24 cents where it is now. You could have potentially traded that one. And it's no surprise that this stuff is good because, and can be profitable for you, because today I was just looking at token metrics to see what are some of the top TM grade projects on a daily time frame. And if you haven't, you can check this out in the description and pinned comment. But I was looking down here, what are some of the top ones, and I saw up here, most trending, Benqi. We go to CoinGecko Discover, most trending, Benqi. And this is liquidity unlocked, supply, borrow, and earn, all of Avalanche's non-custodial lending and borrowing protocol. You can start earning interest effortlessly, supply, and earn interest on your assets today. You can get up to 100% APY by holding this Benqi. So, and then, 12% on USDT, 13.6% on AVAX, and it's ranking pretty highly on TA, on token metrics, fundamentals, not as highly, but that's also one definitely worth taking a look at. And you could have known all this stuff before anybody else, thanks to Cointelegraph Markets Pro newsquakes. But that's not the only thing, because they also have the Vortex score, which gives you the coins more likely to be bullish over the next 24 hours based on history. And we saw some examples there. So those are 2 useful things if you're not in just Bitcoin and you want to know more about altcoins. 2 very helpful platforms to help you find out which coins are likely to be winners in the near future. We have Cointelegraph Markets Pro. We also have Token Metrics, two platforms that I love using because they work. So you can get links to those in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.